Hello, good day everyone! In today's discussion, we will be solving word problems. Okay, I prepared two problems here. So I have here, find two consecutive positive integers whose product is 30. Okay, but before that, we need to familiarize first the term being used in this problem. So we have here consecutive. When we say consecutive, that's the succeeding number, right? Like 1, 2, 3, sunod, okay? So I have here, for example, 1, 2, so 3, 4, 1. Okay? So the very first thing to do is we need to have representation. So let x be the first integer. That's positive integer. When we say integers, it can be negative, 0, or positive numbers. That's an integer. Okay? But we need to have the positive one to get the positive. So let x be the first integer. Okay? So x, the first integer is x, right? And then the second integer will be, since x is equal to 1, okay, x is equal to 1, x here is 1, then plus 1. Again, x is 1, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. Got it? Okay? So this will be 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Got it? And the same with this, x plus 3 is equal to 4. So the consecutive. But we need to have the 2 only. 2 number. Not 2 consecutive positive integers only. Whose product? So product, multiplication, right? And this one, x plus 1 is equal to 30. Got it? Then after that, simplify this one. Distribute. This will be x squared. And then x times 1, this will be x. And equal to 30. Make it into trinomial, standard one. This will be negative 30 is equal to, so this will be perfect chart. And then after that, factoring. Factors, this will be x and this will be x. Since the signs are not the same, so this is trial and error. This will be, let's reduce, plus, and this will be minus. Factors of 30. Let's try to write it here. 30 times 1. 6 times 5. 15 times 2. Okay? But we need to use the two numbers that if you're going to add or subtract, the answer will be 1. 1. So, the 5 and 6, or the 6 and 5. Okay? It into 0. X plus 6 is equal to 0. And this one, x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay? Then, x equal to negative 6. This will be our x sub 1. And our x sub 2 will be positive 5. Mom, it says there, find the two consecutive positive. Negative 6 and 5, they are not consecutive. It's not yet the final answer. Okay, go back to the original. So if we will be using this x, negative 6, so if x will be negative 6, the consecutive will be, you will be using this one. So this will be, what is your x again? Negative 6 plus 1. This will be negative 5. So the consecutive numbers are negative 5 and negative 6. And the other one, if we will be using this, x is equal to 5. So x plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. This will be looking for the positive one. So this will be the final answer. The two consecutive positive integers are 5 and 6. That if we are going to add out, multiply them, the answer will be 30. Got here therefore the two consecutive positive numbers are 4. Are 4. Are 5 and 6. Okay? So there you go. So we're done with our first problem. So let's try to use the second one. Okay? I have here the sum of the squares of two consecutive positive numbers is 481. So what to do? Let us use x as our first integer or positive number. X will be the first number. And then the second number will be x plus 1. Okay? That's squares, huh? Plus x plus 1 squared is equal to 481. Got it? Again, the sum of the two consecutive positive numbers is equal to 481, but with squared, so since this is perfect square binomial, so we need to make this one into trinomial. Plus, what is that again? X times x, so that's x squared plus twice the product of the first and second term. So x times 1, x, then times 2, so 2x, right? Plus this one, the 1 times 1, so that's 1. Okay, is equal to 481. Then, combine like terms. X squared plus x squared, this will be 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then, transpose, this will be 481 is equal to 0. And then, so, simplify. So, 2x squared plus 2x, 1 minus negative 481. So, this will be negative 480 equal to 0. Okay? As you can see, all the terms are divisible by 2. Okay? To make it easy, we need to So this will be x squared plus 2x. X on x, the air. Then 480 divided by 2. So this will be minus 240 is equal to 0. Okay, what to do next? Solve the equation by factoring. Factoring. X. Okay? So, negative, positive. Trial and error. What are the factors of 240? Have 120 times 2, 80 times 3, what else? 15 times 16, I think so. Yes, 15 times 16. So 1. So, 15 and 16. Again, if you are not yet sure with the sign, check this one using FOIL method. If you're going to FOIL this and if you can get the same equation, then this one is correct. Okay? And then, equate it into 0. X minus 15 is equal to 0. And then the other side, x plus 16 is equal to 0. X sub 1 will be positive 15. And then the x sub 2 is negative 16. Positive 15 and 16. Therefore, the two consecutive positive numbers are 15 and 16. And that will be all. Thank you, everyone. God bless you.